in this question, we have to divide x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 2 by x minus 2. One method will be to factorize this first and then see if we can cancel it out. But in this case, factorization is more difficult. If we simply divide them, then it's going to be a bit more easier. So we are going to divide this term. So x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 2. And we are dividing this by x minus 2. So first term is x cube. We have to multiply something in this x so that we can get x cube. So x square is fine. X square multiplied by x is going to give us x cube. But because we multiplied with the first term, we'll have to multiply it with all the terms. So x square will also be multiplied in minus 2. This is going to give us minus 2x square. Now, because we are dividing it, the signs are going to change. If you have a confusion, divide normal numbers, then also you'll see that you subtract these. This is positive, so this will become negative. This is negative, so this will become positive. We are basically subtracting them. This is cancelled. And this is 3x square minus 5x. Now, we want 3x square as the first term in the same sign. It is positive 3x square. So, we also have to multiply something in x that can give us positive 3x square. We'll multiply it by 3x. That's going to give us positive 3x square. And we'll have to multiply this 3x by minus 2 also. This will give us negative 6x. Now we're again going to change the sign. This will become negative. This will become positive. So this is cancelled. Here we have x. 6x minus 5x is 1x minus 2. Now the first term is x. We still need to multiply something in this x so that we can get x again. So we'll multiply 1. Not 0, not nothing, 1. Because 1 into x is going to give us x. And 1 into minus 2 is going to give us minus 2. Now again, we'll change the signs, negative and positive. So this is 0. This is also 0. So the remainder is 0. After dividing these terms, we are going to get x square plus 3x plus 1. And the remainder is coming as 0. So this is the answer. And please remember to do this also.